Yeah, I'm going to show you a local way you could build your automatic staircase light, and it will still come out to be professional. Okay. The pattern I used a 10 pair telephone wire at door actually. So each pair comes out in one staircase, and I had to use regular straw, not any special straw, a regular straw to protect each of the wires. Okay, like I said, it's a 10 pair telephone cable, which make them 20 wires in total. So each step case has to take one pair. I think the only problem with this pattern is the maintenance, and that's why you have to use outdoor telephone cable, 100% copper. Yes. Connect the cable, make sure it's long enough in case the tiler wants to do filling before installing the profile for you. Yeah, the tiler is meant to actually install the profile while installing the ties. So it will look something like this. So when you come, you can literally just bring your soldering iron so that each of the lead steps. And yeah, you would want to solder not the start point of the light, so that the next cut, simply because maybe you want to maintain, you still have a length wire to work with. Then you can probably install an each of the step keys, and you cover as usual. Installing the PIRO sensor, sometimes I tend to use the ray, but simply because the ray is not here, I have to install at the side of the wall. Okay, that's it for this video. On the next video, I'm going to show you the pattern I use in wiring the staircase model. So stay tuned, and like I said, this is not a professional way of doing it, but at least it will help a lot of people anyways. That's basically why I posted this particular video, probably to help one or two persons. Even if definitely it must have helped you in one way or the other, maybe we'll give you some idea on how you should do your own. I don't know. So yeah, see you in the next. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We're only trying to build a little community here, so you don't miss out.